Please, Katanga should compare themselves to Volta Hall, Liman, Jane Nelson, Africa, because they are in Kerege in Kumasi. Yes.
Okay, guys, okay, friends, okay, G's, it's your boy again, Falling with a Star. Today we are going to know the best university halls in Ghana. But before that, make sure you've subscribed to my video and also like and comment. Thank you. So, in no order, the first hall on my list is the Commonwealth Hall at Legon, the Vandals.
Katanga ndi ka halls pa. We a mix so I didn't do to come out that is it. Make sure the can the any in this money I report money at the no crown report crab same me.
Oh, right, no. So what actually makes the Commonwealth Hall unique, or what is so special about this hall? One, the Commonwealth Hall is the only hall that has a garden, and this garden is called the Bacchus Garden, named after a Greek god called Bacchus. This garden is actually a tourist site on its own, and Queen Elizabeth has been there before, so it is a great achievement for Commonwealth Hall.
Katanga boys, the boys in the way yellow. Charlie. Take them, compare them girls' schools. Then they wear yellow, like Holy Child. Wesley girls. Them Banku schools now. If you can compare men, Commonwealth men, gentlemen, you must be serious.
Hey, yeah, Casanona bragging is So why do they call themselves Vandals? Because we know a Vandal is someone who destroys. But this Vandal is actually an acronym where V stands for vivacious, A stands for affable, N is for neighborly because the unity in that hall is very strong. D is dedicated, A is affectionate, and L is love. Secondly, Commonwealth Hall has an iconic places like the Parliament where the boys meet to share ideas, the charging grounds where the guys meet to charge. And also a place they call the basket market. Also second on my list. Second on my list is Katanga, the University Hall at KNUST. Fellows! So what makes Katanga special or unique? Katanga is the first all-male hall in KNUST. The official name of this hall is the University Hall, but it was named Katanga by the first students of the hall during the Congo crisis. CAT has facilities such as games room, a gym, a chapel, an internet cafe, a mini store, a communication center, and a kitchen that serves food and so on. But they are popularly known for their powerful jama they do. And they claim to be the best. third and fourth on the list is Unity Hall and Casford Hall, but I will talk about them in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Control plus Y, Japan.